Guys, I've been trying to treat my hair. I've tried to do the highlights. I tried to balayage it myself. Like, I tried to get the orange out. I tried toning it. I've tried everything. But I'm at the point where I am now wearing a wig because I can't go out with my hair looking like this. Just so you can really see the colors of my hair. Yes, I said colors in natural lighting. So still a lot of pieces with black box dye, a lot of like platinum pieces. The problem isn't that I don't want to spend money on my hair, because I did go to, oh my gosh, this is not my angle, I look horrible. The problem isn't that I don't want to spend money on my hair, because I'm 100% willing to spend whatever it takes to get my hair done. But I have been turned away from hairstylists because my hair is box dyed black. So that's why I've been taking things into my own hands. Like, I just can't. So I have made the executive decision that today I will be bleaching my entire head. I have my Olaplex treatments. I've been treating my hair with Olaplex, and I'm gonna put some Olaplex in the mix, but I'm gonna get it professionally shadow rooted at a hair salon after I achieve blonde. This macaroni, like ginger noodle, whatever is happening here, it has to end. Like, I can't live my life this way. So let's go buy some dye to the salon. I also don't know if I'm thinking straight, because I accidentally drank an energy drink and then had coffee. Ooh, back up. So I'm fresh, I'm showered, my hair is clean. I just threw it in a bun because I'm going to the gym. Exhibit A. The beauty supply store closes in 20 minutes and it's about 15 or so minutes away, so I need to hurry up and go. While I was getting ready, I was like actually second guessing myself. I'm like, you know what? Maybe I'm having a psychotic break. I shouldn't do this. But then I brought myself back down to earth, and I've decided that I am going to do this. So it's happening. Hair store haul and dollar store haul. I have 2 packs of bleach because I have a feeling I might need to do 2 bleaches. I bought some more 40 volume. I also have some 10 volume already. And then I bought some foil, of course. I'm making a TikTok. Hey. I'm so ginger. So I was starting to get cold feet because I was looking at it and I was like, okay, ginger's not that bad. But seriously, like, even when it's in a bun, it's a disaster. I need to do this. So I'm gonna start mixing. And there are like some pieces that Color Oops and bleaching and stuff didn't work on before. So I'm gonna like start with these black pieces that are still 100% box dye. Then for my second round, I'm gonna do the whole thing. And hopefully this like lightens to blonde. And I'm adding in Olaplex #1. That should prevent a certain amount of damage from happening. It's just like crispy and dry and whatnot, so who knows what's gonna happen. Okay, so this process is actually going to take a lot longer than I expected because a lot more of my hair is black box dyed still than I thought. So I feel like even after I do the full head, like my hair is still going to be pretty orange. I'm like so lost right now. The black piece is lifted to red. It's pretty bright red, so a lot of my hair I think is going to be like this. And it's feeling a little bit sketchy. Like, I don't know if it's mushy or not. I'm gonna watch a couple more YouTube videos and then I'm gonna let this dry in the meantime, and then it's time for the whole thing. I'm gonna show you guys when I'm putting the foils in. What's the worst that can happen? That's what I'm like, that's where I'm at. What is the worst that could happen?
I mean, it's not like 45 or an hour, but it like 25 times of bleaching it. It's terrible. I'm shocked. I don't even know what to say.
So I have a beautiful consistency right now. I have my Olaplex mixed in. I used a little bit more than I was supposed to use, but that's because My hair is already a little bit in shambles. Oh my gosh, I already have a chemical burn. People watching this are probably thinking, why would you do this? But you have to think of it from my perspective. It's either I A, keep my hair looking like Bozo the Clown, which I'm not gonna do. B, dye it back black, which I'm never dyeing my hair black again. You've seen the damage that it does. If you dye your hair black, you're trapped. 3, shave my head, which I actually was considering, but I just thought, if I'm gonna shave my head, I might as well try. I'm so nervous. And I'm just gonna like do this quickly because I have to move fast. First, I'm gonna section my hair out. So I'm starting with the front, but I'm doing the roots last. So last time, the back of my hair lifted so much to like, you can't see it's clipped up, to an actual blonde color. And the front is stuck in red. So I figure the front needs more time to process. I'm gonna start with that. Let's go. So, it wouldn't be me if something did not go wrong. I'm halfway done my head and I'm out of bleach. I have this left, and then I have a little bit that I forced myself to leave over so that I could do my roots. It is lifting to a lovely yellow, and I still have some red streaks. So here's what I'm thinking. Game plan. Take this, balayage the back of my head, aka just rub it in there, and then I'm going to do the roots after. I think I have about 15 minutes left before I have to take the front foils out. And then I'm going to tone smudge my hair. What is it? Root melt? And I'll do like reverse highlights. Maybe I'll get like a brown and highlight the top. That was my nervous shake. It looks much better on camera. I promise you, in person, this is yellow. It is like a strawberry orange blonde, like, okay. I'm gonna quickly do my roots, whatever is left over. I'm gonna put it at the back of my head. I actually am not sure how to do my roots. Like, do I take the foils off? So for my roots, I mixed a bit of 10 developer with 40 developer and the bleach. I can't believe I did this. Oh, you're not done. Back in the oven you go. Just wondering why my roots aren't instantly becoming hot. Roots are not too important because I am planning on doing a root smudge anyways, so it's fine. It's just the color. Like, I wouldn't mind being strawberry blonde, just not red or orange. It's giving Ice Spice. How bad is it? Again, I'm just doing my balayage. Okay, so now I'm gonna put a bag over my head and get some heat and hurry up and bleach my roots because it's starting to sting a bit. Star Beauty Supply also offers plastic bags that double as steaming caps. I also forgot that I was supposed to be watching the time. So I literally just shut the camera off, turned it back on because it's been an hour. I actually didn't realize how long it was taking me. I did this side first. How it looks under. So you can see it's still pretty red, but overall it's pretty blonde. Girl, bye. Still black. It's fine. It can be like a low light situation. So I'm happy I did the top first. My hair is still intact thanks to Olaplex. For now. It caught in my eye. I'm kind of in shock right now. Should I let it process longer? No, Chantal, you have to be smart. Ooh. So, my hair is coming out. Okay, so my hair is 100% gonna fall out. But I just thought, why not tone it today? I was gonna tone it like at a later date, but just in case my wig blows off at some point, I can't be out on the street looking like this. I've already posted a video of how I tone T14 and 050. Obviously the front is giving hot roots, but anyways, I'm going to be putting it into a bun. I'm going to be wearing my wig for the next couple days, and maybe next weekend or whenever I end up actually straightening it, I will finish this video off and show you guys what it looks like with my hair straightened. Hey guys, it's a new day and I've given my hair the time it needs to really just like have the follicles close back up, or whatever it is the hair needs to do after you bleach it. I'm going to be mixing a little bit of the 4A237 with a little bit of 10 volume and I think a little bit of 40. And I'm going to be using it to create a shadow melt and hopefully turn this into somewhat of a balayage. This is my last attempt before I completely give up on trying to fix the color. I would also like to show you something, so if you don't like seeing hair in a brush, close your eyes right now. So here is my brush. As you can see, my hair is not really doing so hot. All right, you can open your eyes now. All right guys, so I finished toning my hair. I just went in row by row, parting my hair and adding the toner in. It looks really black, so I don't really know how it's gonna turn out. And then I went through each row, like parting the front of my head and added toner. And I used this comb, very thin comb, and just brushed it through. I know they say you're supposed to use a large comb, but I obviously wanted to get more of the color drawn out. The color is medium ash brown, even though it looks black. You already know toners look much darker on the hair. I'm gonna wash it, blow dry it, see how it turns out. I'm gonna leave it on for a full 40 minutes because I want it to penetrate. Hopefully this gives me balayage somehow, because I'm losing my mind. So I will let you guys know the end result, and hopefully it's a good one. Oh my gosh, it's dripping. All right guys, so far I love the color. I have to blow dry it and see. I don't want to get my hopes up too high, but it looks like almost a chocolate with a hint of red. The ends are still a little bit ginger. Hi guys, I'm back. Please don't mind the fact that I'm wearing a headband. I know what in the Blair Waldorf is happening, but I just wanted to come on here and show you guys the final result so I can end this video. Sorry if the last part of the video was a little bit quiet. I was going through depression, but I'm better now because my hair is fixed and it looks so good. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks with natural lighting. To be honest, I'm not completely satisfied because I did go a little too dark. So now I'm thinking, how do I lighten back up? So, but I'm not gonna touch it. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. The saga is over, okay? Woo! Okay, so I'm just showing you using completely natural lighting. I'm not using any ring light or anything. So here is my ombre. My hair is not straightened properly, so don't judge that. Just look at the color. So I went through. So what I did was I parted every row of my hair and I used the toner and just put it on my root. And then I took my tail comb and just combed it down. And then for the front bits, I just parted it horizontally toner, comb. Toner, comb. So the next step is I'm going to the hair store. I'm gonna have to match this color and I'm gonna buy some hair. I'm not gonna be bald-headed no more. So I've just been wearing it in a bun the past 2 days at work. That is all, guys. Thank you so much for coming on this bleaching journey with me. It has been such a roller coaster. It has been months and months until I finally just gave in and bleached my entire head. And now I actually ended up at a solid place. Everything I used will be linked in the comment section down below. And thank you so much to the Beauty School of YouTube. Hopefully it helped someone out there who's going through the same hair dilemma as I am, because these toners are no joke. Please remember to like this video, leave a comment if you want, and please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. So next time I post a video, you guys will be the first one to know. Bye, guys.